Okay, did that just make you yawn? You're not imagining it, yawns are seriously contagious. But why? It all comes down to something called mirror neurons, tiny cells in your brain that respond when you see someone else doing something. When someone yawns, your brain's like, oh hey, I should do that too, even if you're not tired. These mirror neurons are tied to empathy. They help us feel what others feel, even subconsciously. So yeah, your brain isn't being lazy, it's being social. Yawning together? That's bonding. Still weird, right? But also kinda amazing. Brains are wild. Stay curious.